Welcome to Predicted Trades. Wanted to use this example from Friday, April 29th, to showcase exactly how our system works. What we have on the screen is SPX with a put and a call, and our indicators with all of our beast numbers typed in. Our proprietary model of price prediction allows us to know exactly where big money is going to buy and sell options contracts, equity, and any kind of trading vehicle. As you can see on SPX on the left, there was a little bounce at open, a rejection, and basically a wedge for the first half hour. Then a nice pop up to our zone, where we usually see rejection if it's going to be a down day. We saw that rejection, and we took entry, as you can see, right where there was rejection at that zone. We also saw our puts hitting our buy zone. So we get into our puts, carry them up, block profit down at the lows, allow the bounce to occur. When the bounce happens over here on SPX, it runs into our zone where we should see buyers step in, but we get a rejection and fall out. Same time over on the puts again, back at a great entry point off of our tools. We get in and carry it up. The first trade was 40 cents to $3. The second trade, 60 cents to $4. The next trade, on the next bounce, we saw SPX fall into some key levels. It bounces, and at the start of a new 2-hour candle, runs up and hits resistance right where it should, at this red line. At the same time, our puts again back at our buy level. We get back in for $1. These ultimately end up running to $10, back to $3, and then up to $20 and $25 on the drop. The point of our system is we know for the day the key levels to risk against. When we hit this buy zone, we go long. When we hit this sell zone, we go short. We watch the puts, they hit their buy zone at the same time that we start to reject. We watch the calls. They only had a couple of decent trades right at our buy levels, but they gave out ultimately around noon all of our support levels on the options chart. And at around noon, the puts took off again, came back and took off again. So we pretty much knew around noon this is going to be a sell-off into close kind of day. So over here around noon, we're locking up puts. At this last bounce, we're loading heavily and riding the puts off into the sunset. If you're interested in learning more, please check out our website at predictedtrades.com. Check us out on Twitter at predictedtrades. We are the only service that provides predicted levels on equity and options daily. Actionable levels that you can know what you're risking for what the reward can be. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in our Discord server at Predicted Trades.